Avoiding All the Pitfalls of Bad Credit, sponsored by BHM Financial. Bad credit is like a curse that eats its victims alive slowly. It is a disease of society that makes its victims suffer its wrath. The good thing, though, about this is no one can be its prey if they don't want to be, but only with the right discipline and proper management of one's finances. It is no wonder bad credit repair is a topic that many people look in to help them rise up from the ashes. As you continuously max out your credit limits and keep on ignoring your bills, things can only get worse for you unless you do something right away. Remember that credit card payments and the amount of your debt has a great deal of an effect on your credit. If you ask, what's the big deal with having low or bad credit score? Just think of the following reasons and then think twice about messing up your credit score. Borrowers with bad or low credit scores are deemed by lenders to be riskier for business. So what companies do to compensate for this risk and minimize or eliminate their potential losses is they charge higher interest rates on credit card balances and loans to people with bad credit. Over time, they end up paying more in interest as compared to people with impressive credit scores. Most creditors or lenders won't even think twice about not doing business at all with people with bad credit. Their applications are the ones that are rejected right away and denied because of bad credit. Even landlords these days check for credit scores first to see whether the credit worthy of their prospective clients. Bad credit people are considered to be risky for business and may not pay their rent on time or not pay at all. People with a bad history are considered bad for business by utility companies. They extend their service for a month in advance each time with the idea the clients pay at the end of the month. To ensure that their payments are secured, people with bad credit pay security deposits just for service to be installed. This also includes cell phone companies. They won't even consider granting a line for people with bad credit, so what most do is that they get prepaid service just to have a cell phone service. Employment opportunities, especially in the financial industry, are not being provided to people with bad credit because of their potential not to be trustworthy with money handling. Insurance company, though providing insurance service to people, would also want assurance when doing business with people with bad credit. What they do to compensate for their risk is to charge them with higher insurance premiums. Bad credit people tend to have bigger claims. Imagine owing a lot of money to a lot of people, and they will call you daily wanting to collect money from your debt. This can be very annoying and stressful to deal with daily. Lastly, bank loans for startup businesses or car loans to finance car purchases are not granted to people with bad credit. Bad credit definitely has a lot of pitfalls. Be sure to understand everything and avoid them at all costs.